up, Limitless squad? Yeah,
I can't change, I can't change, yeah. 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 Pull up, hop out, going bad like the cops out. I was sleeping in my aunt's house.
This is your girl Danya, and I'm back at you with another video. So, hello, any new subscribers? If this is your first time seeing me, make sure you click that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to cook 20-minute honey garlic shrimp. This is going to be a first time cooking by myself. So, the finishing touch should look like, not like that, this. So, we're going to see how well I do. Alright, so this is my first time cooking it, so let's see if I got the skills. These are the ingredients that you will need. Honey. Does honey have a extra word to it? Soy sauce, brown rice. I'm gonna use the broccoli that has the cheese on it, because that's the only way I eat broccoli. Chopped green onions, but if you prefer, you can cut the green onions yourself. And 2 bags of shrimp, or however many you feel like you want to. This is the cooked shrimp, peeled with the tail on, so I just gotta pull the tail off, which sucks, but yeah. One more ingredient that I forgot. You can't have honey garlic without garlic. The first step is telling me to do is you have to marinate the shrimp. First, I'm going to wash the shrimp and peel the tail off.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so we are back. So, I got the shrimp all washed and peeled, as you can see. So, first thing is, they say to do, whisk the honey. Got the honey. Honey is so thick. Like right there. We need more honey. So it says 1/4 cup of honey. Black people don't use measuring cups. So.
Babe, I hate to talk in this video, but even though black people don't use measuring cups, you use a measuring cup.
Got this soy sauce. You're supposed to put it in a Ziploc bag or a bowl. I'm gonna use a bowl. That should be good. Might as well use the rest of this honey. And then, guys, garlic. I love garlic. I love the smell of garlic. And I can't open the garlic. Get like a spoonful of garlic. To me, that's more than enough. Put it in the shrimp. Alright, so once you have all of that underway, you just stir it all in the shrimp. A Ziploc bag to me is great too, because it can, you make sure every inch of the shrimp is getting marinated. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, this one's good. This smells amazing. So, when it comes to seasoning, I don't have my favorite seasoning, but I will use his, because we already have soy sauce and all that stuff. We just take one package of this. This is my boyfriend's favorite seasoning. One package of this, do the trick. All you gotta do is, it's called Saison Goya, whatever that is. But I don't really like to make it look orange, but he loves it, so. For him, I'll do it. Just sprinkle some of that all around. And just do it like halfway, and then stir. All right, so once I have all this stirred up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and then I am going to take it out. So you wanna put it in the refrigerator. I should have did this last night or either earlier today, but I didn't think of it. When you let stuff marinate, instead of just putting it on there and cooking it, it seems like the flavor holds up better in the meat. That's one thing. There's somebody as known as my coworker, shout out to you, Christian, taught me. So, once I do that, I am going to take the lid, put it on top of it. Before I put it in the refrigerator, I'm gonna shake it. Because I want to make sure it got off all that shrimp. And make sure that flavor is marinated in it. Alright then. Don't mind my refrigerator. I have a roommate, so put it in the refrigerator, and I come back to you in 15 minutes, you guys. And we are back. So let's go ahead and check on the shrimp. So the shrimp has been marinating for about 25, maybe 30 minutes. Take a look at that shrimp. Take a look at that. While we're letting the pan heat up, we're going to cook the broccoli. You can cook it out of a bag. You can cook it. Some people prefer to like cook it from scratch. Me, less work, the better. So it's going in the microwave. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Let that cook. So while that's cooking, let the pan heat up and give it a couple of minutes. See how it's already sizzling? I could have just drained it, but yeah, I didn't get a strainer. So this is done. Now we begin to cook the rice. So I'm using microwavable rice, so I don't have to, you know. I mean, I can cook rice, but it's just quicker. Put it in there for peel both sides so the air can get in it. Do it for 90 seconds. So it's an hour and 30 minutes. I wouldn't, in my opinion, do it for a whole 97 seconds because the thing gonna pop. So I would say like after a minute, check it just to make sure. All right. All right. This bag of rice is good. So as your so good. As your shrimp is cooking, you go ahead and add the green onions. Stir the green onions in there as it's cooking. Make sure your shrimp doesn't get all dry. Add a little bit of sauce. So for me, I would Bring it around in a circle. Bring it around town. Bring it around in the circle. Alright, that's good. So, you guys, that is the end of Cooking with Danya video. Or cooking with Limitless Lachelle, whichever name you would like to call me. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell just so that you know I have posted a video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Yourstruly Danya, Instagram, Limitless_Lachelle, and TikTok. The same thing as Facebook, Yourstruly Danya. Alright, and don't forget, your dreams are never limitless. Alright, bye you guys. Mwah.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's